Blooket Winter Shop and much more about Blooket and the Blizzard Pack, because I forgot to talk to that before, but still. So first of all, if you have enough tokens, even though you're gonna be broke after, buy all of them, because I have 2,500. So now, and I have like 6,000 tokens. So you should buy all of them. All these blooks. Let me make these blooks so you can say this is legit. Let me just delete one of these. First of all, gotta see clothing. There's this gift thing, this hat thing, and then this would be really cool. Do like that's like a vampire present thing. And then you can put like this, and then gingerbread. This looks really cool. And do like, you can do any hair and stuff. Eyebrows. But I don't like the eyebrows. And the mouth can be like, and then save it. And then see all these things. These present is really cool. And this gingerbread is also very cool. So next up we got to see the Blizzard Pack. And the elf sweater snowman is kind of rare, and people kind of don't like it that much. Like, it's so low because people just want it to be higher instead of 0.02 or 0.01. If you buy it, let's see what I get. I got a stocking, which is uncommon. But I would say these are so cool. And let me just put up like one of the banners. Of these banners. As a title. Put freezing. Freezing title. And go, yeah. And stocking. It goes kind of good with stocking. And this thing. And yeah, that's about it.